Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Electro-Anarchy. Today, in the mail, came the next Hackerbox. This one doesn't say on here. I believe this one is number 8, I think. We'll see here in a second. Let's see what is in the box. Brown box this time instead of white. Blue paper. Pretty cool. This one is box 0008 Clockwork. Alright, let's put this to the side and see what all we got here. Wow. Bunch of stuff. What else in here? We have a couple of IC chips with some sockets, which is great. Okay, 15F204EA. It's the top line. There's a bunch of other stuff, but I'm sure we'll find out what that is here in a minute. Alright, got some cool LEDs, or LED display. It says Clockwork, so I'm sure this is all about making a clock. Looks like we have a battery holder. Looks like a little piezo speaker, tweeter, something of that nature. Some components. Alright, that's cool. Let's see what this is. Now this is interesting. This looks like this is a kit to build something from start to finish. Hey, this could be great. Looks like some cut acrylic parts. Yeah. Okay. Wow, this is pretty cool. Alright, we have to do a video on making this. Alright. Guess that's for the power supply and these instructions. Yeah, digital clock manual install. Should be install manual, I would think. It says manual install. I would think it would be install manual. Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. Well, there's that. We've got some female to female jumpers. Alright, what else we got here? Ooh. You know, I've thought about ordering some of these, I just hadn't got around to doing it. I'm going to play around with some of these, the dot matrix LED arrays. These always looked pretty cool, but just hadn't gotten around to ordering them. Sounds like the fireworks are already going off outside. That time of the year. Alright, what is this one? Looks like another type of display module. Catalyx. Made 24. Well, maybe the board was spun in 2014. Otherwise, it's kind of old. But yeah, 4-digit display, simple little guy. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, this looks interesting. Looks like we have some sort of a transmitter or transceiver. GPS, possibly. Ah. Now this is really interesting. Antenna goes here. Okay, so your connectors is just going to be receive and transmit. So this could be a serial interface. Looks like a tiny little battery, possibly, right in there, if it'll focus. There we go. Looks like a little tiny battery in there. I have to check out what this is. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, I have tons of these guys. I use these a lot. This is my all-time favorite Arduino. Now, this one's a little bit different. The one I use is made by... let's see what it is. Ones I use are Deke Robots. Right here. That's the ones that I use all the time. And this one is virtually identical. But there's a lot of companies that make these guys. They're great. I mean, if you're going to do Arduino stuff and you're going to do anything that you want to use, it's a small form. This is the way to go. They're awesome. Alright, let's see. Is this for a real-time clock? Yes, it looks like a real-time clock. Yeah, real-time clock modules. -2. That's interesting. And this is an RF24 LO1, or is this something else? All our AI cloud inside. Oh, this is a little bit different. Huh. It looks very similar. The plug-in looks very similar to an RF24 LO1, which I have tons of. And this is going to be the program, which is cool. I needed another one of these for this. Basically what this is you plug this into your USB, you can access through your Arduino software, and this is just a serial adapter to your USB. It essentially, you'll put these headers in here, like so, and where are those? You'll use basically something like this to interface between here and here. And let's see, 5, 1, 2, 6. Forget one of these guys. One of these guys is not used on this. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, we got a sticker. Overclock. That was kind of cool. And that's it. Alright, so let's go and let's see what all this stuff is on the card. Okay, DS1301 timekeeping chip. DS1302. Okay, DS1302 timekeeping chip. So that's what we've got here. Alright, simple enough. So this is a GPS. Okay, so that's what this is. This is a GPS unit, which, that's cool. I have not messed with that in any projects. I really haven't had a need for GPS in anything, but it's cool to have, that's for sure. Alright, so we've got it's a Wi-Fi module. Okay, so this guy here is a True Blue Wi-Fi module. I might actually have another one of these. I forget, I got a bunch of stuff that I bought from China real cheap. I just went on eBay, and anything that was under $2 that looked interesting, I ordered it. And I might have gotten one of these or something. But form factor is like the radios I normally use, but the pinout's definitely completely and totally different, which is fine. It's no big deal. Okay, and the USB serial bridge to the Arduino Mini, which is here, and pretty simple, pretty cool. Alright, well, looks like the big thing in this box is going to be, actually, I really like this. I really do like this. This is pretty cool. Like I said, I can't think of a use just yet, but I don't know. I'll have to see if figure out maybe there's something worth building out of this. And these, I use this stuff every now and then, just when I'm building different things. I'm not one of those Internet of Things type people, because everything I like keeping stuff private. That's just me. Whenever I don't want people hacking into my stuff, put it that way. Real-time clocks, these are always handy as possibly can be, and with a package like Clockwork, it's mandatory, I would guess. And the Arduino, let's see, that goes there, it goes there. But this is the most intriguing thing as far as I'm concerned. Oh, I forgot about these guys. I said I wanted one of these. I wanted to play around with this, and it's cool to have it. That's for sure. Definitely be looking into what I can do with that. And this guy, I've got so many of these things floating around. Every time I go to build something that I put a display on, I end up making it out of a LCD screen rather than these guys. That's just me. No, this looks pretty cool. Having a neat little clock. I wish they were bigger because I need a clock at my shop, but I need a big clock, big clock. Let's see, this one over here, this over here, and so I'm guessing this is set up to where it has to be. Is there any battery? Oh, there is a battery in here. I bet you there's no charging circuitry of any kind. So you wouldn't be able to put a lithium cell in here and charge it. It would just basically be a a small form factor battery. But yeah, that'd be a pretty cool little build. I might actually do that and put this thing together and see it in action. Well, there it is. Hackerboxes box 0008 Clockwork. You can go to their website. If you get these boxes, you can go to your hacker school, and they will have all different types of things you can do with this and projects and stuff. I had originally planned on building a lot of these projects in the boxes, but this is my busy time of the year at work. I run my own business it's just me and my wife, and I do all the work by myself. I have no employees, it's just me. So I am exceedingly busy right now. But I might actually take the time to build this, just because this intrigues me. I think this is pretty cool. But I really wanted to build more of these things because these hacker boxes, I think they're really, really neat. And especially anybody that's just wanting to build some stuff and get joy out of this stuff, I think these are great. They really are. And I think they're fairly decent value for the money. But anyway, I know this was just kind of an impromptu. I'm really not feeling that great today. I've been working all day. I apologize if I'm a little down. But I said I just came in today. I thought I'd make a video of it and get it up so that if anyone was interested or curious about it, they could look and see what these things are about. But anyway, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give me a like. If you don't, tell me you don't. Give me a comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. That's good with me. Anyway, wish you guys a good evening, and if you live in the United States and you're watching this, in this weekend, have a very good and safe, happy 4th of July. 1776, buddies. All right, have a good one.